Morning. Well, I thought I'd do the update on the van because she's finished. A few silly little jobs to do, but the bulk of it is finished now. And here she is. She's a 2012 Fiat Ducato 130, which is 130 brake horsepower, but it's been remapped to 150 apparently, which, yeah, it does go like a rocket. It's a long wheelbase, and it's a right-hand drive. I've done all the usual mechanical bits to it: timing belt, water pump, thermostat. I've actually got the brake discs and pads to change next because they've just started grinding this morning. Anyway, here it is. I'll open up. Here's the cab area, which I've carpeted, and I've got overmats as well. This is the seat I cut down from a double to a single so I can get through to the back. Let me just jump in. Basically standard sort of interior. I've got all my little seasidey bits, as everyone knows I love me seasidey bits. Look, there's my little my little solar shark there, and my little hula girl. Various little bits. It's a 6-speed. It's brilliant on fuel, absolutely brilliant. Even better than me Renault Master that I had last time. It's got a reversing camera, which I use also as a rear view camera there as well. I've got a Bluetooth thing here which does my phone, so I don't have to touch my phone. Just click that button there, and that also does, because it's only a CD stereo, this little gubbins, it was only a £5, is tuned to the radio, and what it does, it sends a signal to the radio so I can play music from my USB sticks or from my phone or another device. So yeah, this is basically the cab area in here, and we'll go through to the back. I've got I put the windows in. I've got 2 of these windows, one for each side. Both of these I cut out and put in. I am going to put the tinted windows in eventually, which slide, but they're rather expensive. I've got both of these windows which open. There's one that side, and there's a window that side. I've covered it at the moment. I've got both of those for £61 off of eBay. So I've got over cab storage up here. Up there. I've got curtains which are blackout thermal lined curtains which come across the cab there. Got 2 of those, one either side. Down here, my red switch that turns all my LED lights on, just through the front and the back there. Then I've got this unit here which I built. That's the seat, and under there is leisure batteries, inverter, and my diesel heater. There's the other window there, let's see. All my seasidey bits on there as well. So I'll cut that out, put that in. That's put in as well. Then up here we've got 2 cupboards. We've got our electrics over there, solar controller there, which is doing my 510 watts of solar on the roof. My little clock there, my various little bits, look. My little shark's tooth, my little dead fish. In there is, that side is underwear, socks, pants and bits. I've got a table here which I made out of a surfboard. Just bought the leg, and this flooring, I put vinyl flooring down, so I didn't really fancy carpet because I'm in and out a lot and I get dirty. I've got this lovely rug as well here. Over here is the shower area, which I shall show you now. This is a full hot and cold shower. Got the roof vent there to vent out. That light there comes on at night. It's a sensor light, so that comes on at night. And I got my Portaloo there, and so there'll be showery bits in there. Then if I come over to this side, there's the side door there. Then I've got water for the sink under there only. That just does the sink water there, which is from that switch. I bought this unit. It's an old IKEA unit. I paid £20 for it on Marketplace. I normally build my kitchen units, but this time I thought 20 quid, I couldn't build a unit for 20 quid with doors and everything, and this one's got drawers. There's my cutlery drawer there. The next one down is for plates and bits. So I've got water under there, bin in there and storage. That side is for pots and pans. Now if I come along here, I've got another set of lights just for the kitchen under here. And on here, I've got my 2 burner and my grill. Struggling to do it one-handed. I've got my 2 burner and grill there, so you get 2 burners at the top and the grill underneath there. And I put that on because it stops it rattling while we're driving. Obviously I don't put it on when it's hot because it'll set a light. But yeah, so I've got the 2 burner grill there. So there's 2 lights under there. I've got all my condiments and bits there. And I've got this cupboard here, which is, got my kettle in there, my cups, coffee, tea, bits and pieces. And all the cupboards I've put these little push lights in. These little LED push lights. So I can see at night. And across to the back here, I've got the bed area. I've got storage up there. I've got my TV and over bed storage there. And under here, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. Under here, when the light comes on again, there we go. I've got my water tank there, which is 70 litres, and that comes in through a piece at the side there. And this all under here is storage. Once I've sorted it out, I've got the spare wheel there to go up on the side there. Then I can get all my speakers and bits in for travelling and busking and doing gigs. Because for people that don't know, I'm a musician as such. I do gigs with backing tracks, and also I busk in the week as well. And over there is my water boiler, and I've also got a new window in the back there, which is the tinted one, which is an opener as well. So yeah, this is my van so far, and it's been built on a budget as usual. I've done it all for a great price, to be honest, a very, very good price this time. But yeah, anyway, please like and subscribe. This was my little van tour. This is what I will be living in from May this year, May the 22nd. I shall be travelling all around the country. It'd be lovely to come and meet some of you guys in the vans that I've been watching for years. Yeah, it'd be great to see some of you guys. So it's the window that I put in. There's my solar up there. That's where I drain my water off from the tank underneath. That little tap there. And this is the van from the rear. That's the new opening window that I put in next to the bedroom. It's reversing camera. And there she is. Like I say, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll catch you all soon. Very, very soon. Hi there. Yeah, catch you all soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support and subscribers. Catch you later.